Welcome. In front of me I have AirPods Pro and LG K50s, and I'll show you how you can connect this to the device. So the first, you have to open notification bar on your smartphone, then click and hold the Bluetooth icon. Right now open case of your AirPods Pro, then you have to click and hold this back button. So let's make it. Click and hold, keep holding. Right now just release that key and tap on the right upper corner on the Bluetooth to turn it on. And when the AirPods pop on the list, we have to simply tap on them to connect, accept pair, and as you can see, right now we are connected. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.